So welcome on my channel. So in this lesson I would like to discuss one question on matrix. We have to find the double factorial of a given matrix. So let's do the problem. It is fully based on the diagonalization of a matrix. So let's do the problem. Okay, so let's do the problem. Okay, the problem is find the Dow factorial of this matrix 7 2 minus 4 1. To find the double factorial, okay, to find the double factorial of this matrix. Yes, to find this double factorial of this matrix you have to first of all know how to diagonalize this matrix. So for diagonalization of matrix you have to find the eigenvalues as well as the eigenvectors. Okay, so first of all you have to find the eigenvectors. For eigenvectors we would use the characteristic equation, that is a minus lambda I will be equals to 0. Okay, a minus lambda I is equals to 0, so that will be equals to 7 minus lambda 2 minus 4 1 minus lambda. Okay, determinant equals to 0, and it will be equal to 7 minus lambda 1 minus lambda is equals to it will be plus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, plus 8 will be equals to 0. So the values of this matrix, I can guess that eigenvalues will be equals to lambda 1 equals to 5 and lambda 2 is equals to 3. We can use the quadratic equation. If you solve this quadratic equation you will get how to find you get that lambda is equals to 5 or lambda 2 equals to 3. Okay, lambda 1 equals to 5, lambda equals to 2 equals to 3. So you have to find the eigenvectors, corresponding eigenvectors for lambda equals to lambda 1 equals to 5. So for 5 it will be equals to, if you put here 5, that will be equals to 2, and it will be 2 minus 4, and if you put 5 it will be again minus 4, and it will be equals to x1 x2, and it will be equals to 0 0. So it will be 2x1 plus 2x2 equals to 0. So it will be 2x1 equals to minus 2x2, 2 cancel, and eigenvectors will be equals to x1 and will be minus 1, and it will be equals to k. So k will be any number, whatever k will be any number, and for lambda it is for lambda equals to 5. Okay, this eigenvectors is only lambda for lambda corresponding equals to 5, and for lambda 2 is equals to 3. For lambda 2 corresponding eigenvectors for lambda 2 equals to 3, it will be equals to, if you put 3 here, see, if you put 3 here, it will be equals to 7 minus 3, it will be equals to 4. Yes, it will be equals to 4. So see here, it will be equals to 4 2 minus 4, and see here, if you put 3 again here, it will be equals to minus 4, and will be again vectors will be x1 x2 and equals to 0 0. Then we will get 4x1 plus 2x2 will be equals to 0. 4x1 will be equals to minus 2x2 2, and x1 will be equals to minus x2 by 2. So the eigenvectors will be I am just using the eigenvectors here too. Okay, I am just putting the eigenvectors here. So see, eigenvectors will be x1 will be equals to, if you put x2 equals to 1, x1 will be equals to minus half. Okay, so we get the eigenvectors. Okay, we get the eigenvectors that first eigenvectors is for lambda equals to 5 will minus 1 1, and will be second one is minus half 1. So that is the model matrix, that is S, will be equals to, but just put the eigenvectors, then you will get the eigenmodel matrix minus 1 1, and it will be minus half 1 So we get the model matrix here. Okay, so we get the model matrix here, that is 1 minus 1, that is see here, model matrix, that is S will be equals to minus 1 minus half 1 1. Okay, now we get the model matrix here. Okay, so we know that diagonalizable matrix will be equals to S inverse MS. We know that, isn't it? S inverse MS. So see that the matrix is the matrix which you get, it is so diagonal matrix, it is dm will be equals to S inverse. So you have to find the S inverse also, isn't it? S inverse will be equals to, see, there is one video on YouTube that is published on my channel on inverse as well as the adjoint of a matrix, how to find the inverse and adjoint of a matrix in a shortcut way. So you can check it out. Okay, you can check it out. So here it will be equals to 1 minus 1 and minus 1 plus half, and it will be equals to, if you use the, you have to use the determinant also, then it goes to 2. Okay, you get equals to 2. You have to multiply with the determinant also. Okay, 1 upon the determinant, 1 by the determinant. Okay, the determinant will be equals to 1 upon 1 by 2, that is 1 upon 1 by 2, and then it will be equals to only 2. So here it will be equals to, S inverse will be equals to, see, here it will be equals to 2 1 minus 2 minus 2 into m. M is what? M is 7 2 minus 4 1, and S will be equals to minus 1 minus half 1 and 1. Now see, so if you multiply, okay, if you multiply this 3 matrix by using the matrix multiplication method, then you will get 5 3 0 0 5 3 0 0. So now see, here we get our diagonalization form, that is 0 0 in diagonal, and we get our eigen values, that is 5 3 in diagonal. That means our diagonalization is totally correct, isn't it? Our diagonalization is totally correct. Now see how to find the Dauer factorial of this matrix. You know that the dm is equals to S inverse MS. So S inverse MS will be equals to dm, isn't it? So m is equals to S dm S inverse. This is the very important, this is a very important formula to solve such type of question, that is to find the to find the double vectorial of this matrix, or you can find the root of the matrix. So this is a main formula. Okay, so if the matrix is diagonalizable, then we can easily write that m double factorial will be equals to S dm double factorial S inverse. Okay, dm double factorial S inverse. It is only possible if the matrix is diagonalizable. So see, the matrix here we get the matrix which is given, it is 7 2 minus 4 1. Okay, double factorial is equals to S. S is what? S is what here? S is equals to, we find the S, that is our model matrix, minus 1 half minus half 1 1. So it will be equals to minus 1 minus half 1 1, and diagonalization of matrix, that is m double factorial 0 0 3 double factorial. We can only write this this in this way if the matrix is diagonalizable. Okay, if the matrix is diagonalizable, and S inverse will be equals to 2 1 minus 2 minus 2. We already find, okay, we already find this, isn't it? We already find this. S inverse is equals to this. So now see how to find. It is 7 2 minus 4 1 double factorial will be equals to minus 1 minus half 1 1. Yes, now see how to find this double factorial. Okay, how to find this double factorial. 0 0 will be there, but how to find the double factorial of 5? See here the concept, which is very interesting. 5 or n double factorial will be not equals to n factorial n factorial. That is if you want to find the 5 factorial, that is not equals to 5 4 3 2 1 factorial. It is not like that. Okay, it is not like that. So there is one special formula to find the double factorial of odd function, or you must say odd number, and for even number. So if you want to make a separate video how to find the n double factorial, I can make. Okay, if you want to how to find the double factorial of any number, then you can comment in the below, then I will make another video on separate video on how to find the double factorial. Okay, how to find that, how to find double factorial of any number. So now I would like to give one formula for odd number, how to find a double factorial. So let's take, or you can take a help of MATLAB also for the calculation of this double factorial of odd number as well as even number. For odd number, the n double factorial will be equals to so you have to use this one. Yes, whatever. That is n double factorial will be equals to n plus 1 factorial divided by 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2 n plus 1 by 2 factorial. Now see what is the value of 5 double factorial. Okay, so 5 double factorial, see 5 double factorial will be equals to n plus 1, that is 5 plus 1, that is 6 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial divided by 2 plus 2 to the power n plus 1, 2 to the power n plus 1, that is n plus 1 means what? The 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 2, there will be 3, 2 cube, n plus 1 is here, that is 6, 2 divided by 6 will be 3 factorial. So the answer of 5 double factorial will be equals to 6 5 3 4 3 2 1 divided by 2 cube, that is 8 into 1 2 3, it is 1 2 3 will cancel from here, and you will 1 2 3 cancel from here, and it will be get 8, isn't it? It will be 2 will be there, 2 3, it is 15, that is 5 double factorial will be equals to 15. Okay, 5 double factorial will be equals to 15. So you can use 5 double factorial will be equals to 15, and 3 double factorial will be equals to n plus 1, it is 4 plus 1 factorial, it is 4 plus 1 factorial will be equals to 3 plus 1 factorial will be 4 factorial, 3 plus 1 it is 4, and 2 to the power 3 plus 1 it is 2 square, and here will be equals to 3 plus 1 4, 2 factorial. So here will be equals to 4 3 2 1 divided by 2 cube, 2 to the 2 square, it is 4, and 2 vector will be 1 2. So this 1 2 will be cancelled, and 4 and 4 will be cancelled, and we get 3. Get 3. So far we have to check again that it is for 3 vectorial, is there any mistake or not. So it will be 3 double vectorial will be equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4 vectorial, to this 3 plus 1 4 2 2 4 by 2 2 square, yes it's right, and it will be 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 2 vectorial 1 2 1 2 3 4, yes 2 square 4 4 cancel, and 2 square so 4, and it will be 1 2, yes yes I think it's right, yes it will be 3 double vectorial will be equals to 3. 3 double vectorial will be equals to 3. So yes, now we have to that is 7 2 minus 4 1 double vectorial, this matrix double vectorial will be equals to, we have to multiply this and you have to comment below in the comment section. Okay, you have to comment below in the comment section what you get, and if you what you get after multiplying this 3 matrix, this is your the value of double vectorial of this matrix. So I think it's clear to everybody how to find a double vectorial of the of any matrix, and if there is any question on regarding this you can ask me, and I would like to answer immediately, and I also read all the comments in the comment section, and you can comment and I will like to reply. Okay, if there is any problem regarding this question you can ask me, and if there is any problem on matrix also you can ask me in the comment section, I would like to answer. Okay, so